So you will need this beads, sugar beads or cube beads or square shape beads, you can call it any name. And then this particular one for the handle, so you see this, and now we jump right into it. Okay, so I have my fishing line, which is 0.7 mm. Okay, you can use 0.6, 0.8. So I'll pick 4 beads, string 3, and then with the fourth bead I'll cross it with the other side of the thread, like you are seeing in the video. Okay, make sure both sides of the thread are equal. And so next I'll pick 3 beads, one on the left, one on the right, and then you cross the third bead. You pull it down, make sure both sides of the threads are equal, and then you make sure it's very firm by tightening it. Okay, so you're going to do this for 9 times. Okay, so this particular one that we are doing is the third one, so you'll have to continue so you have 9 units. Okay, so here we have 3, so I'm going to continue to get 9. So now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so we need 10. So we are going to 10 with the 10th one. So I'll pick 3, fix 2 on any side of the thread. So we fix both the 2 beads on one side, and then you cross the third bead. Okay, because we are turning, so with the turning you don't have to fix 1 bead here, 1 bead there. Fix 2 beads on one side and you cross the third bead. Okay, so you have your threads coming up from a bead on the side. Okay, like you are seeing in the video right now. So here we are going to do an L shape bead matting. Okay, we need L-shaped bead mat, so I will continue with it. Instead of continuing with this line to get 2 lines, I will still continue with the bead chaining. So 1 here, 1 there, you cross the third bead. So like you're seeing, for me to get the L shape that I want. Hope what I'm saying makes sense. Okay, yeah, so instead of building on the first chain that we made, okay, we are starting a new chain to form L shape like you are seeing right now. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Okay, so this part is also 9, so we have 9 by 9. So this part, so I'm turning with the 10th one. Okay, so when you are counting this part, the first line on the first chain that we made, you add it to it. Okay, so this is the 10th one, so you pick 2 beads on, you put 2 beads on one side of the thread, but here you have to make sure you put it on the left if your work is positioned in the way mine is. Okay, so on the right thread, okay, or this very thread now, I'll pick 4 beads with it, or I'll put 4 beads on it like this. So on this particular thread, and then with that same thread I will cross the very first bead I picked. Okay, so I'll go back through the very first bead I picked with it, and this is what you'll have. So so with this you are adding another line to it, so instead of 10 you're going to have 11. All right, and that is what we need. So instead of 10 we have 11 now. So the first line is 10, but the second line that we are going to, or we've started already, it's 11. Okay, so with that you continue with your bead matting. So here you enter the next bead with your left thread, and then you pick 2 beads, but it depends on how you've positioned your work. Okay, sometimes this it confuse people. So if you want to follow exactly, so like if I say put 1 on the left, you make sure the way my work is positioned is the same as yours, so you won't get confused. Okay, so it won't be like my left will be your right, and then your right will be my left, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to continue till I get to this part here. Okay, so when you get to the middle, you enter the 2 beads there. Because you are turning to the other side, you enter the 2 beads I pointed at, and then you pick one bead and then you cross with it, and then after that you continue with the bead martin. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this part where you get to the corner, you enter 2 beads and then you pick one, so you continue with it. So please subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Miss Bead Craft channel, like, leave any comment, and then share as well. Okay, and when you subscribe, don't forget to hit on the notification bell. Now this is where I am, so I'm almost done with the second line. So here we need 11 for the second line. So on this right thread, the one in my right hand, I'm going to fix 3 beads on it, but I'll cross the 3rd bead, okay, with the other side of the thread, and that will make that line 11 like we started with. Great. So now on this side of the thread, I'm going to pick 3 beads again, put 2 on that side, and then cross the 3rd bead, to have this. Now see here, we didn't add any line to it. Okay, so we are maintaining the 11 for now. So with the 11 we have 1, and then this is the second 11 that we are doing. Okay, so we will need 4 of the 11 lines. Okay, hope you understand what I'm doing. I'm saying the first line we made it 10 by 10, but this one we are doing 11, and so this is the second line of 11 lines that we are doing. Then we will need 4 of that. Okay, so you continue to this end, sorry, and then you do, so we need 4 lines, so we need 2 more. Okay, and this is it. So I'm going to finish this last line to have 4. Okay, so as you're seeing, the next line that we are going to do is going to be 10. So I am passing my threads through the beads to enter the second bead. That means I am skipping 1 bead. Okay, if you watch this very carefully, you understand what I'm doing in the video. So we are skipping the first bead, and we are going to start from the second bead, so we will have 10 as well. So we have 10 inside. Did I say 10? No, but if you understand what I'm saying, yeah, you will get it. So you want a slanted side, okay, if that will make you understand it better. You see that? So you have tall, what is happening? We will have 4 top beats. That's what I was trying to say. We will have 4 top beats, and then you continue with your bead matting till you get to the other side, and this is it. Okay, so I'm left with this just one step, and then we will be done. So if you watched the video to this part and you didn't understand it clearly what I was trying to explain, you can screenshot this part, okay, to know what exactly you are doing from the beginning. So you need 2 of that. Okay, you know there are 2 sides of a bag, so I already made the other side and then build this the edges or the width. Okay, so I have 4. The one that I used the white bead to do, I made 4 lines, so I'm going to join it to this piece here, and that will give me 5 bead count as a side. Okay, And I know joining two pieces together is something very easy for you to do, so I'll not actually explain this part. You can just watch it carefully. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit on that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, and then if this video is helpful for you, please like, leave your comment. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to reach out to me on my social media handles, you can do that by clicking on the links in the description box. So I have my WhatsApp number there, which is active for now because we are having internet issues. So WhatsApp will be the right way for now. Okay, so send me messages if you want any clarification on anything. I will be happy to help you out. Okay, yeah. And then if you want a private training, an online training, one-on-one, just link me up, just send me a message, we'll talk about it. Okay, so here you continue joining it to the other side, and here while I was done with the joining, I went ahead to fix my handle. The handle is totally optional, you can use any handle of your choice. So I made it this way, and it's looking very amazing. See you in my next video. Bye bye.